Hey everybody, really quick little video I wanted to do for you all today. So I went out to the countryside to have a pretty background and I kind of ran into a bit of a windstorm, but I'm still gonna film this. Just about an hour and a half ago, the channel gained its 10,000th subscriber.
What? Ah! Yes!
And the channel honestly began as just something I did for fun. Just began as kind of a joke, something I thought of on my way home from work. I'm like, you know, someone should make a bunch of DIY videos that are just really ridiculous, like how to rake leaves and how to give your dog a bath and what is the other first idea? It was like the toilet episode, where like someone installs a toilet but they smash the toilet, which was one of my first ideas. And there's actually one video that I've never done that was still part of that original like 3 or 4 ideas I wanted to do. So if anybody would like to know how to survive a home invasion, that is a video I've wanted to do for a long time, and I hope to do it at some point. Yeah, I don't know. It's just try, not being afraid to fail, not being afraid to kind of put yourself out there is kind of what this channel has become about. It didn't really have any kind of message in the beginning, but it does now. And yeah, I don't know, it's really, really cool. So anyway, that's it. Just a short little message of thank you. And if you love this, love, or enjoy this channel, share it with your family and friends. You can support it on Patreon now if you're so inclined. We'll see where this all goes. All right, thank you. That's it. I'm gonna go back home. Bye. Oh, hi there. I'm Jason. Today we're gonna talk about how to rake leaves. Oh, hi there. My name's Jason. Today we're gonna learn about the best way to rake leaves.